Good day, dear students. So in this class, we are going to learn about different tourism enterprises, government and local bodies which come under tourism destination, how they do the partnership and what is the importance of teamwork when they do a partnership. We will also be learning about destination marketing mix whenever we think about marketing and promotion of destination, how we can develop a destination as a product, and we are also going to see what is the destination competitiveness. So let us start the today's class with the tourism enterprise definitions. So it has been defined as a composition of products involving transport, accommodation, catering, natural resources, entertainment, and other facilities and services such as shops, banks, and other tour operators. So you might remember in the last class we have discussed that what are the tourism stakeholders. So here we can see that entire transport business is a single stakeholder, then accommodation units are stakeholders, then catering units are stakeholders, then entertainment agencies or organizations are the stakeholders. So here a lot of stakeholders are also present, and the different types of facilities what they are providing, and there may be some other amenities or ancillary services which we have discussed in the last class. Ancillary services are also required by the tourist at a particular destination, which we can take example as different types of shops, banks, post offices, ATM machines or ATM vending machines, or any other type of services. So whenever these all different types of stakeholders are present at a destination, we call them as tourism enterprises. So they are one way or other related to the tourism. So individual enterprising agencies are there which are working, and the persons who are operating these businesses, they can be called as tourism entrepreneurs because they are related to the tourism business and they are depending upon the tourists for revenue generation or income. So they may be in a group, they may be running the business alone also. We can say sole proprietorship or joint ventures, we can say. There is also a term called small tourism enterprise when there is a business unit functioning at a tourism destination which have less than 5 people working in the organization. Less than 5 staff members are there in that organization. We can call it a small tourism enterprise. Moving ahead, we can see what are the government and local bodies operating at a tourism destination. So there are different types of bodies. We will go one by one. First of all, destination marketing organizations and destination management organizations. These both type of organization can be represented by DMOs in short, or whenever we see that DMO is written, we can understand either they are talking about destination marketing organization, they may talk about destination management organizations. Sometimes we may also call as destination marketing and management organizations. So it depends upon the nature of responsibility what this particular organization is offering or what they are fulfilling. If it is an organization, either private or government, which is especially focusing upon marketing of tourism destination, we can call it destination marketing organization. If it is focusing upon managing the organization, such as building infrastructure at an organization or inviting the stakeholders to the particular destination, they can be called as destination management organization. If there is an organization which is also marketing and promoting the destination and taking care of management of the organization, it can be called as destination marketing and management organization, but it will be represented by DMO only. Now we come to the NTO, National Tourism Organization. Any organization which is doing marketing or management activity at a destination of national level, then it can be called as National Tourism Organization. There may be RTO also, Regional Tourism Organization. If these kind of organizations are working upon local or regional geographical area, they can be called as RTO. Then National Tourism Authority is there. So there is a little difference between NTO and NTA. The nomenclature is different, working style will be different, but responsibilities will be same. Then we have CVB, Convention and Visitor Bureaus. These are present at a local level where they are discussing or they are taking responsibility of marketing and management of a particular area only. Or visitor bureaus such as where tourists can visit and get the most of the information. They can hold a conference or convention there. That is called as Convention and Visitor Bureau. Further, we have also state tourism departments in each and every state. For example, if we talk about India, there are different states of India, and each state has their own state tourism department for marketing and managing the tourism destination of their particular state. So we have state tourism department. It may not be in other foreign countries because they may not have the concept of state. They may have concept of province. So the different provinces may be there, different department tourism, maybe the tourism department may be there in different provinces. Here we have MOT, Ministry of Tourism also. So likewise, Ministry of Tourism may be present in different countries. We have District Tourism Council, or somewhere we may find as District Tourism Promotion Council, DTPC also. So for example, DTPC is present in Kerala in India. So they take care of the tourism promotion or promotion of tourism destinations of a particular district. So there are different types of nomenclature. There are different types of government and local bodies which takes care of marketing and promotion of tourism destination in their area, in their state, or at the national level also. Further, we see that since we have talked about the tourism stakeholders, destination stakeholders, we have also talked about in the last class that what is the dynamic nature of the tourism stakeholders or at a destination. So there should be a partnership between the different stakeholders at present at a destination, because it is required due to the large number of different stakeholders to be involved in tourism industry. There are a lot of industries in tourism destination for tourism purposes. So until unless there is a good partnership, they cannot flourish, they cannot save amount, they cannot save amount on investment, and they cannot earn more benefit. Nowadays, if tourism is not developed as a public-private partnership, it is not sustainable also. So as we were discussing in the last class that there are basically private players in the tourism destination, and there may be government parties also. So government parties or organization will basically look upon the rules and regulations, policy framework, whereas the private parties will look upon the implementation part of those rules and regulations at a destinations. So there has to be a partnership between the public and private also. Private sector participation is essential as governments do not operate the business, create personalized travel experiences, but whereas private parties are involved in operating the business. So we may find public-private partnership also in development of the tourism destination, development of airports, and other tourism-related activities. What is the importance of teamwork? Now we are talking about the integration between the different stakeholders and partnership. So when we are coming as a partners, we are becoming as a team. So we see that whenever we are having partnership, services at a particular destination will be enhanced, service quality will become better, and there are least burnout. Even if some damage is happening at a team at a destination, the damage can be fulfilled or damage can be contributed by the different stakeholders. So a single individual will not get to fulfill all the damages. Profit for all. There will be profit for all the stakeholders once we are working as a team. There may be integrated destination marketing. So once marketing activities are being started, it may be done for the entire destination, not only for one stakeholders. There will be less expenditure in the marketing, advertising and promotion of a destination. And with help of good teamwork, partnership, they may be able to develop a good image of the destination in the minds of tourists. The marketing and promotion activities may become easy when they are marketing under one logo, under one name of the destination. All the services can be marketed among the tourists. Now, when we are talking about marketing, we shall also talk about the destination marketing, means how we are going to market the destinations. Once we have collaboration, partnership between the different stakeholders, once we are ready to work as a team, then what are the areas in which we need to look while marketing? So there are 7 P's of marketing. We call it as 7 P's of marketing for destination marketing mix. These are product, price, promotion, place, people, process, physical, evidence. So now we can see that we have to project the tourism destination as a product where services are there, where different types of monuments, mountains, buildings, heritage places, cultures, or rural places are there which have to be developed as a product. It may be as a core product, it may be as an ancillary product also. There has to be some particular price through which the service providers can earn some benefit, or a particular price on which the tour packages can be sold or the tourists are ready to buy. So the price has to be very much sensitive. Then promotion, how we can promote the destination. We have to check upon the marketing side, we have to check upon the advertising, that what kind of medium we are going to adopt. Either we are going to use TV, audio media, video media, we are going to use the television, newspaper, or online media, digital or social media. What kind of promotion we have to do, how we have to develop the content, how we have to choose the particular media, everything we have to decide. Then the place, at what place we are going to offer the services, which place is suitable for destination development, what kind of people will be working. So human resource is very much essential at a tourism destinations. Why? Because whenever tourists are coming, there has to be integration, or there has to be interaction between the service providers and the host community and the tourists. So people should be qualified, people should be made aware how to interact with the tourist, or tourists should also be made aware how to interact with the host community and people. Further, as the sixth P is the process, that what is the process. So whenever we see the services at a destination, there has to be a process in their operation. For example, if we are going to a destination, there will be a process like registration, then booking the seats, then booking the accommodation unit, booking the entertainment package, or booking or in advance booking of the tickets. So there has to be a process. There will be a process related to transportation also. There will be a process related to visiting a destination also, such as at what particular time we have to buy the ticket, what is the time to visit the museum, or which way we are going to visit, which is the first stage, second stage, third. Likewise, there will be a process. Without process, it cannot happen. Or if we are visiting a restaurant, there is a process. We have to give the order, we have to wait for the order. Order will be delivered, and there is a process in the kitchen also. So likewise, for destination, we can see for a lot of activities or services, there has to be a process. Each process has to be promoted carefully and examined carefully. Last P is known as physical evidence, in which we see that at all destinations there has to be some physical concern about it. How we are going to project the destination image. So we have to take print, we have to take pictures of the destination, which has to be sent across to the tourists for marketing and promotion activities, how they are going to see the destination. Because tourism is an activity where most of the time products are being bought or tourists are paying before even availing the services. And how they come to know that services will be good, they are seeing our brochures, they are seeing the videos. So that is called as physical evidence, how we are able to show the tourists the feature of the destinations even when the tourist has not reached to a destination. And after seeing these brochures, after seeing the prices, after seeing the videos of the destination, they are able to buy the tourism product, which is a destination. So that is called as physical evidence. In what form we are going to project our destination. So physical evidence is very much important in case of tourism destination. And destination has to be developed as a product. It may be an actual product, such as what is the cultural or social aspects of a particular place. It may be a core product also, the kind of satisfaction which a tourist will be getting after visiting a destination. It may be an augmented product or extra kind of services. So although at a natural destination, tourists are going to visit the mountains or the natural beauty, but along with that, they may be looking for a good accommodation where they can stay. They may be looking for a food where they have to take some kind of food. So those things will come under augmented products, like ancillary services, we can say free guide tour or cultural homestay or free language interpretation. If they want to avail, they can pay more prices and they can avail these kind of services. So along with this actual core product and augmented products, we can design the destination as a product. Now we see what is the destination competitiveness. It is defined as the factors of the destination which can attract the tourist, which can make the tourist convinced that they can buy this package for a particular tourism destination. So it's an ability of a destination to increase the visitor arrivals and tourist spending by providing them with satisfactory and memorable experiences. So what kind of activities can be offered, what kind of amenities can be added for tourists, what kind of extra miles service providers can go to satisfy the tourists. So those are the things which will develop or which will make the destination more competitive in comparison to the other destinations in different states or nearby destinations. So we can also say that it is an ability of destination to do it in a profitable and sustainable manner. The tourism activity can be done in more profitable and sustainable manner, which will lead to the good well-being of the destination residents or the host community or the local community. And it will also save or preserve some kind of natural resources environment for the future generations. It is also an ability to compete effectively and profitability in the marketplace, because when we see the market, there are a lot of tourism destinations, how they are being very much competitive, which tourism destination is offering more diverse kind of services, more better services, more satisfaction to the tourists, and which is offering their services at a cheaper rate or a competitive rate. So the destination which is offering more good services, more satisfactory services to the tourist and at a best price, that destination will become more competitive. They can increase their competitiveness by adding some extra benefit to the tourists. So we will stop till this slide. In the next class, we are going to discuss about the 4 topics in the 4th unit.